You are going to love the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, front license plate bracket, Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.